Baby, run, run. Run with Sanjay Kher. Run in the heaven. Run in the mountains full of snow. Come on, come on. Come on, get on, get on. Get on. Don't wait. Don't wait. Don't wait. Run. Run in the fog. Run in the mist. Just see, just see, just see. Have a look, have a look, have a closer look. Here it is, it's far off. In the mountains at 10,000 feet above the sea level. And it's the blissful area. This you can see that. At the same time while I'm running, you can see that this sleeping lady shooting into the heavens. You can just see the file. The file is exactly the same. I am running. I am not waiting. I don't want to wait or stop. I want to just achieve the destination. And you just see that they have the sleeping lady, the forehead, and then of course there's the nose and the chin, and downwards you can see this also. And you just see that how beautiful it's looking. This is the fun of life. This is the life. You have to keep fit. You have to keep going. Make India. We have to build India for rain, and we have to keep on going. The legs, the feet are going to take us to our destination where nobody has reached, and we have to do the impossible. You just see, just have a look. And there you can see that it's behind the fog. It's snowing. There's snow there. It snowed day for yesterday here, but now it's pleasant. And I'm running. I'm running, and I'm running. You just want to have a look. Also, come on, have a look. Have a look, baby. Come on. Don't wait. Smile. Make faces. So that no paralysis. There's no problem. There's glow up, and you have very strong also. You have the glow on the face. The smile. Come on, baby. Come on. Just see. I'm running. I'm not waiting. I'm running. Running and running. Run for life. Run for humanity. Run for happiness. Run for fitness. And run for India. Run for the world. India, the spiritual capital of the world. The workhouse, the power, and the IT capital of the world. Just Indians are doing great. It's them life. We also do that. We cannot stop with all the humanity, all the people around the world. See, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Thanks for visiting. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Have a nice day.